Welcome! If you're tired of your phone vibrating every time a new email lands in your Gmail inbox, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk through the updated steps to disable vibration for Gmail mail notifications right from your phone settings. This way you can stay on top of your messages without constant interruptions. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is the control center for all your apps and notifications, and where you can fine-tune exactly how Gmail alerts you. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps. Give it a tap. This will bring up a list of every app installed on your phone. Here, simply scroll through or use the search at the top to find Gmail. Now that you're on the Gmail app info page, look for the Notifications button and select it. This is where you control what kinds of notifications Gmail can send you. Within Notifications, there's an option called Notification Categories. Tap this to drill down into more specific settings for Gmail's alerts. You'll see different categories for types of notifications. Find the category labeled Mail. Go ahead and select Mail. Here, you'll notice several alert options, but the one we're interested in is called Vibrate. You'll likely see a toggle switch next to it. If the switch is turned on, your phone will vibrate every time a mail comes in. To stop Gmail from vibrating for new emails, simply toggle the vibrate switch off. That's it. Your phone will now remain silent for new Gmail notifications, no unwanted buzzing in your pocket or on your desk. Keep in mind, this adjustment only affects vibrate mode for Gmail notifications. You'll still receive emails and see notifications, just without the extra vibration. And you're done. It's a simple tweak that brings a big improvement to your daily routine. Take a moment to explore these options. Customizing notifications can make your device feel truly your own. Thanks for joining me to quickly solve this everyday annoyance.